All right, good one. They might want that black and chartreuse. I ain't got, oh dang. Huh? Yeah, I've got a couple little taps, but not much. That's probably a keeper pretty close. He's a fat one, isn't he? Yeah, that's a good one. I was just finna say, man, one had it in his mouth and he let it go. Calm down, boy. He's got mud on his butt, on his belly. Oh, another good one. Huh. They liking the magnet today. And they're splashing their shad, ain't they? Oh. Oh. Man, come on here. I'm bringing up perks. There you go. Oh yeah, another little good little crappie. Yeah, I have to do it with my right. I can't do it with my left.
Yeah.
Black.
Yeah.
See?
Yeah.
Oh, oh, you pawn. Made me stab myself, boy. But see, there ain't no bars. There won't be no bars.
Yeah.
On a black crappie, just little spots.
They're
but
close though.
Yeah, but if you see them bars,
yeah,
that's the old white crappie. All right, boy. So, holy crap! Holy, help me out, Jason or Ben. Grab that for me. Good God! I was like, well, help me out with that, dude, man. Good God, that'll work.
Something was snipping at it.
Oh, I wouldn't doubt it. I was sitting there watching that lady and just holding my line. I felt then after I was looking, I'm like, I can't tell, and I just started easing up, and it was just heavy. I'm like, and then, whoo, big girl, big girl. Yeah, I wasn't expecting that. My God. Yeah. Yeah.
Dang, he's thick too.
Oh yeah. Let him go over here. Oh man, that's good. That could be a good one to wrap up too. Look at that back, that meat. Oh yeah, yeah. She'll still be ready. Come springtime, she'll be doing her thing. Woo! Yes, sir. Just a few. There's plenty left. Yeah. Oh, he'll be all right. Yes, ma'am. Oh. Hey, they're under there. Try it up under there.
Yeah, I already did it.
Well, they're under there now.
I'm just gonna try it here.
I was thinking, say, I don't want the blue. They want it now.
Yeah.
Hey, but just now I did the same thing when I pitched it. It didn't even go to the bottom, and I missed it the first time. But then I kept pulling it up, and this one hit it. Oh, little black crack. Well, there's plenty in there. Oh, it was up high, wasn't it? Yeah, as soon as you dropped it down. Just saw your line slack up? Or just, yeah, it's like it set on something. There ain't nothing there to set on. Yeah, that's right. That stuff. My stuff. Oh, good one. Another good one. Black and chartreuse. Black and chartreuse. Little black crappie. There's more black crappie this year, man. Oh, there's some big ones that stay under there. There you go. Oh yeah, that's it. Another white crappie. I'm going on under. Yeah, I was going under there. Bird. Yeah, another one.